The human skeleton is a complex structure composed of bones, cartilage, and ligaments that serve as the framework for the human body. It provides support, protection, and mobility to the body. The human skeleton is categorized into two main types, the axial skeleton and the appendicular skeleton. The axial skeleton includes the skull, vertebral column, and rib cage, while the appendicular skeleton consists of the bones of the upper and lower limbs. The human skeleton is made up of 206 bones in adults, which are connected by joints. These joints allow for movement and flexibility. The bones of the human skeleton can be classified into five main types based on their shape: long bones, short bones, flat bones, irregular bones, and sesamoid bones. Long bones, such as the femur and humerus, are characterized by their elongated shape and serve as levers for movement. Short bones, like those found in the wrists and ankles, provide support and stability. Flat bones, such as the skull and sternum, offer protection to vital organs. Irregular bones, such as the vertebrae and hip bones, have complex shapes and functions. Sesamoid bones, like the patella, are embedded within tendons and provide mechanical advantages. The structure of a typical long bone consists of a shaft called the diaphysis and two ends known as epiphyses. The diaphysis is made of compact bone which provides strength, while the epiphyses are composed of spongy bone which helps reduce weight and cushion joints. The outer surface of bones is covered by a tough membrane called the periosteum, which contains blood vessels and nerves. Inside the bones, there is a cavity called the medullary cavity, which contains bone marrow. Bone marrow is responsible for producing red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. There are two types of bone marrow: red marrow, which is involved in blood cell production, and yellow marrow, which is mainly composed of fat. Bones are made up of two main types of tissue: compact bone and spongy bone. Compact bone is dense and provides strength, while spongy bone is porous and lightweight. Both types of bone tissue contain cells called osteocytes, which are responsible for maintaining bone structure and repairing damage. Bone health is crucial for overall well being as bones provide structural support for the body and protect vital organs. Maintaining strong and healthy bones requires a balanced diet rich in calcium, vitamin D, and other nutrients. Regular weight bearing exercise such as walking and strength training can also help improve bone density and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Injuries to the skeleton, such as fractures and dislocations, can occur due to accidents, sports injuries, or medical conditions. Treatment for skeletal injuries may involve immobilization, surgery, and rehabilitation to restore function and mobility. In some cases, prosthetic devices or joint replacements may be necessary to replace damaged bones or joints. Overall, the human skeleton is a remarkable structure that provides support, protection, and mobility to the body. Understanding the anatomy and function of the skeleton is essential for maintaining bone health and preventing skeletal injuries. By taking care of our bones through proper nutrition, exercise, and medical care, we can ensure the longevity and vitality of our skeletal system.